Healing oneself permanently is not just a possibility, but a reality that many seek to achieve through understanding and aligning with their body's natural energies. This video looks into the essential steps to recognize the signs of energy depletion and to harness the power of a positive mindset, which are fundamental in initiating a lasting healing process. The journey to full health requires attention to the signals our bodies give us and a commitment to nurturing a positive mental outlook. Let's explore how to tap into this potent combination to restore vitality and achieve permanent healing. To start, understanding your body's signals is crucial in identifying the initial signs of energy depletion. These signs can vary widely, but some common indicators include persistent tiredness, unusual stress levels, or general discomfort that disrupts daily activities. These symptoms suggest that your body is struggling to maintain its natural balance and needs attention. By becoming more attuned to these signals, you can take early action to prevent more serious health issues. The first actionable step towards healing is effectively listening to what your body is trying to tell you. This involves more than just acknowledging discomfort or fatigue. It requires a proactive approach to health management. Start by assessing your daily routines and physical responses. For instance, after eating, do you feel energized or sluggish? How do you feel after a night's sleep? These insights can guide you to make better choices that support your body's health. It's about forming a dialogue with your own body and understanding its needs without external distractions. Moving into the area of mental health, the power of your mindset cannot be overstated when it comes to healing. A positive mindset not only helps in coping with illness, but also activates your body's innate ability to heal. Cultivating a positive mindset starts with reprogramming how you perceive health and discomfort. Instead of viewing illness as a setback, see it as an opportunity to reassess and realign your health practices. It's about maintaining an attitude that supports growth and recovery, even during periods of physical distress. Alongside developing a positive outlook, it's equally important to address and overcome mental barriers that can impede healing. These barriers often manifest as negative thoughts that convince you that recovery is distant or impossible. To overcome these, practice redirecting your focus towards positive affirmations and outcomes. Regularly remind yourself of your body's capabilities and past instances when you successfully overcame challenges. This mental shift not only improves your mood, but also fortifies your body's defenses against ailments. Expanding on the foundations of self-awareness and a positive mindset, it's essential to explore natural healing techniques that can further enhance your body's recovery process. One effective approach is to integrate natural remedies known to boost health and energy. While specific product recommendations are beyond the scope of this video, focusing on general practices such as incorporating more whole foods, fruits and vegetables into your diet can make a significant difference. Staying hydrated plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal bodily functions and facilitating internal healing processes. Another cornerstone of natural healing is ensuring adequate rest and quality sleep. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, and compromising on this critical period can hinder your path to healing. To support better sleep, establish a calming nighttime routine and create an environment conducive to rest. Reducing screen time before bed, keeping your bedroom dark and cool, and perhaps including a relaxation technique like deep breathing or gentle stretching can significantly improve your sleep quality. Remember, quality sleep is as crucial as any medicine. With a solid grasp on natural remedies and the importance of sleep, integrating gentle exercise into your daily routine can significantly enhance energy flow and aid the healing process. Activities such as walking, gentle yoga, or Tai Chi not only strengthen the body, but also improve circulation and flexibility, which are vital for overall health. These exercises help to oxygenate your body and can significantly boost your energy levels. Consistency in these exercises is vital for long-term success. It's not about intense workouts, but rather about regular, gentle movements that align with your body's current state and needs. Establish a routine that fits easily into your daily schedule to maintain consistency without overwhelming yourself. The goal is gradual improvement in your health and energy levels, allowing your body to heal and regain strength naturally over time. To effectively support the physical aspects of healing, it's equally important to cultivate a conducive environment around you. This means creating a space that promotes tranquility and positivity. Whether it's your home or a specific area within it, aim to keep your surroundings clean, organized, and filled with elements that encourage relaxation and positivity. The inclusion of plants, soothing colors, and perhaps calming background music can transform a space into a healing sanctuary. The role of social support cannot be understated in the healing process. Surround yourself with people who uplift and support you. Positive social interactions can greatly enhance your emotional well-being and provide motivation during tough times. Encourage open communication with friends and family about your healing journey and seek support when necessary. Progressing in your healing journey involves regular self-assessment to monitor changes and improvements in your health. Establish a simple routine where you check in with yourself weekly to note any new symptoms, improvements, or shifts in your well-being. This could involve noting your energy levels, sleep quality, and any physical or emotional changes. Tracking these elements can help you understand what techniques are working and what areas still need attention. This kind of mindful observation ensures that you are always aligned with your healing needs and can make informed decisions about any necessary adjustments in your approach. Effective stress management is critical in the healing process, as stress can significantly impede the body's ability to recover. Introduce stress management techniques such as deep breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, or even engaging in hobbies that relax you. The key is to incorporate these practices into your daily routine to help manage stress levels consistently. These techniques not only help in reducing stress, but also enhance your overall resilience, making you better equipped to handle challenges as you heal. To ensure long-term success in your healing journey, consider making permanent lifestyle adjustments that promote sustained health. This involves more than just temporary changes. It's about adopting new habits that become a part of your everyday life. This might include altering your diet to incorporate more nutrient-rich foods, adjusting your sleep schedule to ensure you get enough rest, or setting boundaries to manage stress effectively. These changes help in maintaining the balance of your body's energy and support continuous health and vitality. As you implement these lifestyle changes, it's important to stay informed and flexible. The world of health and wellness is always evolving, with new research and strategies emerging that can enhance your healing process. While you continue on your personal healing journey, remember that each step taken is a move towards better health and energy restoration. The path to healing is personal and unique to each individual. While the principles laid out here are universal, their application will vary. Listen to your body, maintain a positive outlook, and adjust your strategies as your health evolves. This process does not promise overnight success, but is a testament to the power of cumulative, consistent efforts. Your commitment to following these steps, assessing progress, and adapting where necessary is crucial. Healing and energy restoration are ongoing processes that benefit from continuous care and attention. By now, you should feel equipped with the knowledge and strategies needed to take control of your health journey. With dedication and patience, permanent healing isn't just a possibility, it's within your reach. Remember, your body has a remarkable ability to heal itself when given the right conditions and care. Thank you for dedicating the time to learn about restoring your body's energy and starting on a self-healing journey. It is hoped that this video has provided you with valuable insights and practical advice that you can apply to achieve and maintain optimum health. Keep nurturing your body and mind and trust in your ability to heal and thrive.